This is a DDAmanda analysis of FEMY, symbol FEMY right here. And we have 200 days worth of trading data that we record. And there's been a couple of times in the past where she has popped up on our scanner, on our factor scanner. The first one here was this 1796 factor where she traded $22 million out of the blue. I mean, before that it was 12,000. And we track dollars traded, which is way more useful than volume. I mean, volume is meaningless unless you associate it with a price. So dollars traded is what you want to, focus on. And then here's the second time, 645 factor and $134 million out of the blue. And she's kind of like stayed in this range here, except, for the days that she went bonzo. Here she broke $1. But here's the, like 36.51, 36.40 is, at the time, was the 200-day low. And then she reached it again around here, okay? And number one, some of our guys were watching this, and some of us took a position on this. You could have got in anywhere along here, okay? Because obviously something's happening, and sure enough, on 4 days ago, she has a 2,000 factor, blows up to $166, closes at $1.48, up huge, and then again. Just on Friday, look at this, half a billion dollars traded almost, and she's up again huge. So we have a guy named Munson who has this theory that if a stock has a 200-day low, and previous to that she had these huge factors, it's almost a guarantee that this stock will run, seriously, okay? And sure enough, there's your 200-day low. Here's your high factors before that. Oh, by the way, the guy's name is Munson. We call it the Munson strategy now. And, here's your 200-day lows. This is the actual 200-day low as of, Friday. I went all the way down to 0.24. And then she blew up. And there's so many of these that do the same thing. Anyway, this is just another example, we have lots of them, of how DDAmanda can find these, okay, and lead you to make some serious profits, alright? Anyway, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and thumbs up if you like this stuff, and have a good rest of the weekend. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll see you later. Bye. Everybody that tries DDAmanda absolutely loves her. These are all unsolicited, by the way. We didn't even ask people. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. So worth it. Probably made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Having everything I need to research on one page is definite time saver. Single day, 1525 profit. 15K on my first DD. Look at this guy. I don't know what to think about this one, man. This guy says he made 30 million. Read this shit. I don't know. He sounds kind of legit. I fucking love DDAmanda. Your program is the best tool I've ever used in the last 21 years. It just goes on and on. Okay, if you trade stocks, or if you're even thinking about trading stocks, this is for you guys. This is what you need. This is DDAmanda. It's the #1 stock screener and scanner that's out there. And it uses both user input and AI to find and research winning stocks. And it says right here, easy enough to use by total beginners. There's really no learning curve at all. You can be finding stocks within about 5 minutes after you log in. And it also has a lot of advanced features that are used by professional traders. Our mission is to help you make money by investing in stocks. That's the bottom line. That's what you want from something like this, Now, I use this all the time, and I've found some amazing runners. You've got here, look at this. They give you 1 hour of free one-on-one training and instant support. having good support on a program is just so critical, you know. I mean, here's their phone number right here. You can just call and text. They've got some testimonials here. I want to show you these because they're pretty amazing. I mean, look at this. This is what people think of her. I love you guys. Yeah, I love the program. This guy made 500K. This guy's up 30K. Everything I need to research. I wasn't even in Amanda one week, and he made 10,000 bucks. So these testimonials, it just goes on and on here. So anyway, they've got if you want to try, look at all these features. Dollars traded, 7 MA crossovers, all sorts of stuff. But they've got an $8 a day trial subscription, so you can check her out and see if you like her. And then some other subscription levels here. Anyway, I highly recommend this, guys, and do check it out and make some money.